Anybody who has a passion to learn something new and wants to get into programming languages, those are the people that we really want as part of this course. As a person who worked in industry for almost 19 years, most of the programming languages that I had been using during those times were things like C, C++, Java. It wasn't until the last 8 years of my career did I start to learn more about Python and how useful it is, and I started utilizing it in more of a scripting environment. It's broken up into 4 sections. The beginning course basically would cover things like user input, variables, and then how to manage different data types, and then arithmetic expressions. And then in Module 2, we start to get more into things like the if-else statements, the loops. We get in and talk about tuples, inheritance. Module 3, we're getting into polymorphism. We're getting more into things like the GUIs interface. And that's when we start talking about image processing, modeling performance, managing data sets to basically train machine learning algorithms. This Python course is basically to allow users who may have never experienced or utilized Python to get a new understanding and a new appreciation for a different programming language. And it's also available for those who have been programming in languages like Java, C++, C#, who want to expand their knowledge sets. And so this gives them that opportunity to learn something new. What you're going to be looking for in industry are programming positions, data management positions. Places like Intel, General Dynamics, Boeing, all of these companies that are out there currently are utilizing things like Python as one of their programming languages. This course will get you into the basic fundamentals of how Python works.